Hey friends, if you wish to remove text box and convert it to dotted frame in PowerPoint, then please watch this video. So I have a blank PowerPoint presentation. I will insert a text box inside it. So I'll go to the insert tab, and then I'll select text box. Okay, I will type the word test. Now since the font size is a little small, I will change it to, let's say, 40. Okay, let us change it to something higher. Let us change it to 66 so that you can see it better. We have text here. Now, I don't want to outline it as usual. I want a dotted outline. And this is something that a lot of people need for various applications. I'll click on it and I'll select the text. Until I have not selected the text, I won't get the shape format tab. Check this. But once I've selected the text, the shape format tab will appear. Now in the drawing section, there's something called a shape outline. Click on this and then scroll down and click on dashes. Okay. So when you click on dashes, you will notice a lot of outlines here. You can pick up any one of them. Now here's the thing. I selected Edward. It still looks like a line. Actually, it's not a line, but the dots are so small that they appear such. So here's what you can do. Again, select it. Go to shape outline and then select more lines here. And then all you need to do is increase the uh, width to, let's say, 50. No, that's too much. Let's say increase it to 15 and hit enter, and now you will see the dotted lines here. Okay, you can change the width and the other dimensions according to your requirements, but this is how you get a dotted border around your text instead of the line border. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.